Hello, folks. Welcome to our Tech Tutorial channel. This is Shahid, your SEO friend. So before we start our today's lecture, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you can't miss out any update on the video that we will going to upload on this channel. So let's begin our today topic. Our today topic is schema markup. What is a schema? A schema is something that tells the Google about what a particular product or service is all about. So suppose we have a website and with the same brand name another website exists, then how will the Google will give preference to your website? It will it will differentiate your website with the other name, with the other company, with the other brand in on the basis of a schema that we define. Suppose for example, we not all know that apple is a fruit. But when we type this keyword Apple on Google search engine, we used to find the information about the Apple Macintosh company, because Apple company had defined the schema that when the user will search this keyword, the company should appear on the Google search engine. So by defining a schema, you can give a clarification to the Google search engine, to the crawler, about the web page or blog or anything that for which you are defining the schema. There are different types of schema. You can generate a schema for each project. Suppose the e-commerce site generate project schema. You can generate a schema for the blog. It will go more clarification to the search engine about the that what your blog is all about, on which topic, what are the highlighted parameters on that blog. You can also define the schema for the web page also. You can define the schema for organization. There are varieties of schema that you can create for your website and give a strong power to your website for more clarification to the search engine. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can define the schema. To define the schema you have to type Google schema generator, and here the third party software technicalseo.com. As I said that there are different types of schema, you can see all of them in this. Here are the types. Sorry. These are the types of schema as I have already told you. So suppose you have an article or blog post, you can generate this schema. If you are having an FAQ page section, you can define this kind of schema. Now I move downwards. See, this is a local business organization person. Even you can define the schema for a person or the author also. So for an example, I am giving example of a product schema. So for this, I am taking House of Tech website, and we know that in this website there are no products, but I am considering its courses as a project. So suppose I am defining the schema for this keyword basis course. So in this, what we have to do is to define the name. First, we have to, for which keyword we are going to rank. recipe basis online thing. So whenever the user will type this name, this keyword, or there will be more clarification for the Google that Google have to rank as a soft tag for this keyword. Now here I need to give the image URL. So image URL I can get it from here. I'm giving this. Now here's the brand name. So tech. Here I need to give the description about the product. So I can get. Do remember that the information that you are providing should present on the web page or the on that page also. So I am taking this section because in this section the keyword is already inserted. So it will help us on ranking. I have given the so you can clearly see the text which I am entering is appearing on the right hand side. These are the codes. Now I'm not giving any offer, so we didn't have any offer. Now we can give the rating. Suppose we have a rating on the Google about it, Google search engine, Google GMB reviews. So I can take them. So that I can use the Google reviews. So we are having 26 Google reviews, and we can say that mostly some of them are from. So I am defining aggregate rating is 4.9. Number of ratings 26. Highest value is 5. Lowest value is 4.4 because someone has given us 4 stars. Now here I am just copying this text and I have to paste it over a page. So I am finding my page. I have to find the set basis page. To go to the pages. Where is the page? I think this is the third page. So here is the page. Recipe basis on that thing. So what I have to do is to add this keyword, this is code on the website coding. So from where I can get it. If you are not comfortable with it, you can also give the coding part to the developer, website developer, so he can easily insert the code on your website. I'm editing it. This is my edition part. What I have to do is to paste the code. Just want to wait for a second. Here's the code for that. We have put the like the HTML coding and having it dropping it over here. We like onto the code. Okay, I have just put up the code over here. Now what I am going to do is to check its speed. That the code is pasted right over there or not, or code to check that whether the code has made any changes on the live website or not. See, I can see that there are no changes. I think it is also, I can also check the source code. You can see this over here, the rating which I have given. So once it is done from our side, now I just have to update it. I am updating it. So our schema is embedded on the website on that particular page. But before pasting it, you have to check whether this code is good to go or not. So you can check the schema checker. You have to type the schema checker. Here is the rich result tool. Here I just need to copy the code which I have generated from the tool. This is copied. Test code. See, the analysis is going over there. The page is eligible for such result. That means that we have embedded the right code over our website. So you have to make this check before pasting it to the website. I have done it right now because I know the code was perfect from my side. But you, before you give it to the developer or pasting on your website, please check so that you can't become a victim of any mislead or anything else. So that's all from my side.